Hi! In front of me is Toshiba AT10 A, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. First of all, just open Clock app and tap on this alarm icon at the bottom left corner. Then, before adding your alarm, hit those three dots at the top right one, tap on Settings, and adjust all of those however you wish to, like snooze. When you're finished, go back, and to create your own alarm, tap on this plus next to three dots. Then set up an hour. Save it by tapping on OK. And tap on Label. Now you can label your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to, and select OK in the pop-up. Following that, tap on Repeat and select days of the week, in my case Mondays and Fridays. Last but not least, tap on this little note. Apply the best incoming alarm sound for you and save it by tapping on OK. As you can see, after that, my alarm was successfully created. You can switch it off completely thanks to this switcher next to it, and turn it back on the same way. In order to hide all of those settings, tap on the bottom right corner. Lastly, to delete your alarm, hold it, tap on this bean at the top right corner, and now it's gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!